Today's manufacturing environment demands that IIoT platforms allow for instantaneous and remote monitoring of your production floor activity by all levels of employment. The Scytec DataXchange machine monitoring platform was developed to cater to these circumstances and includes valuable mobile applications for the browser-based data display reporting tool, as well as the Operator Data Interface, ODI. With the data display mobile application, operators, supervisors, engineers, and upper management can all remotely evaluate their shop floor events in real time with instantaneous charts and metrics. With the mobile ODI application, the data collection rules can be applied to all sources of data in real time, enabling automatic machine data collection, as well as entering downtime reasons and part numbers, updating OEE dashboards, and sending alerts, text messages, emails, and Microsoft Teams notifications. The Scytec DataXchange mobile applications run on iPad, Android, and Windows tablets, as well as iOS and Android smartphones, and are available to download for free on the Google Play Store, Apple Store, and Microsoft Store for ODI. Scytec DataXchange will bring your shop floor into the modern era. For more information, please visit scytec.com.